Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by proving ownership and protecting data. You must back up the device now to avoid permanent loss, because many recovery steps erase content. Make sure you know the Apple ID or Google account tied to the device. That account is the legitimate recovery path. Once done, locate any purchase receipts or proof of purchase to speed support. This avoids unauthorized workarounds and keeps you on an official, recoverable path. Now proceed with official recovery methods. On iOS, go to Settings, Screen Time, and attempt Forgot Passcode to use the Apple ID recovery flow. You may need two-factor authentication. On Android, contact the device owner or use Google Account Recovery to regain control. If you do not have credentials, contact Apple or Google support with ownership proof. They guide through account recovery or device reset. These steps preserve security and comply with policy. Finish by choosing a factory reset only when account recovery is impossible and you can prove ownership. Remember that resets often remove screen time, but require the original account to reactivate. After the reset, restore from your backup or set up as new, and then set a known screen time passcode or skip it. If any step fails, contact vendor support with proof of purchase. That is the single most effective troubleshooting route when automated recovery won't work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.